Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you guys are wondering why I'm whispering, it's because baby's still sleeping, and around this time, which is 8:40, he should be waking up right now, but he actually is sleeping in, which is kind of surprising. So I just decided to get up, shower, just start getting the day going, and I kind of took advantage because baby wasn't awake yet. So alright guys, so I'm actually gonna start breakfast, but I do hear baby waking up, so I'm probably gonna have to go get him soon. So baby wanted to come in on the chit chat here. Wait. No, you can't grab the camera. You can't grab the camera. Yoop. Good morning, guys. You see little rascal coming. So what we have planned today is go to the store. I have to get formula and wipes and a few other things. We are going to the park for my nephew's birthday, so they're celebrating it there, which I kind of like because I can have them outdoors and maybe get them down the slide. I don't know. Anyways, that's what we have planned for today. Right now it's 10:30, so I've been up. I got ready. I give him a bottle already. I'm about to make us breakfast. So I have finished making breakfast. Baby is very whiny right now. I think he's hungry, but I think he's also sleepy. But I want to give him something to eat before he takes a nap. For baby, I made him 1 egg, and then I give him a yogurt, and then I have my bagel here with 3 eggs. Do you want to say hi? Will that make you feel better? Will that make you feel better? Alright, so we are at my nephew's birthday party at the park, but I don't think anybody's here yet. So I'm just gonna get our stuff ready and start getting baby out, and yeah, so I'll take you guys along with me. Come on, keep it moving. Whee! 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 Are you still too little? Hey guys, so it's another day. For today, I am planning on clearing out the downstairs room. So this eventually is gonna become my filming room slash workout room. So I have a lot to do, kind of. I just have to clear it out. I have to clear out the closet because it's a room where I normally film. My husband's gonna take over that room and make it kind of like his game room. So I'll show you guys this room, and all I have to do, it's a little bit all over the place. So yeah. So as soon as you enter, you could see I had baby here whenever I would work out, so he could just not be all over the place. This and this coffee table we're eventually gonna take up to the room. All the workout stuff I'm gonna eventually keep here, but like half of the room, maybe that side is gonna be the filming, and then this other half is gonna be the workout. And then this closet right here, I have to clear out. So these are like lights and chandeliers that my dad gave us that we still have to like change out. Christmas stuff, more workout stuff. There's another part of the closet here which I have to organize. That's like a blind and a fan over there, some paint. But yeah, so I have to clear this out, bring the stuff that I normally had upstairs, in the upstairs closet, bring it down here. And those boxes, I think I'm gonna take to our little shed outside, and then eventually when we're ready to change those out, then we'll change those. But so I feel like I have a lot to do. I don't even know where to start. So I think I'm gonna start in the closet. Probably just take everything out and then bring the stuff from upstairs, bring it down. So don't mind the messiness and the crowdiness, but this is a way smaller closet. I have like all my extra lighting, office supplies in that little basket. Over here I have a box of our vacuum, and then up there I just have like spare stuff, like spare light bulbs, spare bags, yeah, just random stuff. And then this is just my dressier clothes, which I'm probably gonna eventually have to take it to my regular closet. Guys, so I have not finished downstairs. So I basically finished bringing everything down from the room upstairs, but I just need my husband's help to take some of the dressers because they're a little heavier. So yesterday, which was when I showed you guys the closet, so I actually ended up painting it, and I already filled it with stuff, but I'll show you guys. So that's the closet. I don't know if you guys remember the color, but this is the other side. So it was that color. Obviously I couldn't reach all the way up there, but I painted it this like light grayish color, which looks way better. So I put all my extra lighting in here, and so far that's how my little setup is coming out to be. I still need to take this stuff to the storage, take that upstairs, remove that. And yeah, so I still got a few things to do so it could actually look put together. So I'm just gonna leave that for now. And now I'm just going to finally fix or organize my planner. Baby boy just woke up from his nap. I'm gonna start getting ready to make him some food.